By the way guys, disclaimer sa video na ito. So, as you can see, I'm so very haggard, very haggard. But then, this video will just, again, disclaimer lang, kasi this video, I will not put in music, yung mga background. This will be just a very, raw video. So, yeah, yun lang yung gagawin ko, and few cuts lang, and then I will not, but let's see, because I'm thinking of putting like a background music, but then since walang internet dito kasi it's countryside, and yes, merong mga may internet pero sila yung mga may pera, and since hindi naman kami mayaman, so yeah, that's why. So this video will just be a very raw video, so wala masyadong music, walang masyadong background music. So ganyan, pagpasensyaan nyo na ang Filipino ko, kasi hindi talaga ako ganun kagaling magsalita ng Filipino. But anyways, yeah, that's just a disclaimer of this video. Disclaimer of this video. Good afternoon guys. So as you can see, today I am here in the rice field, Basakan farm, and I have here a abolo. And so, nagkuyog ko sa akong papa. It is because sa balay boring kaya. That's why nagkanhin ko din ang kuyog ko. So dire, tsara gid ang view. Hindot good, very refreshing, very relaxing. Like makam gid ka. Look at that. See? Wait. Did you see that? See? But later on, ipakita pa na ako nga napay chadag view ani actually kay nagani siya dire kay ninapong sa Basakan kinag water pump, and this is the water pump, and kita niyo sa papa. Wait, kita na ko sa papa. Father is over there, look at him. Wait, dili na ko ma-zoom guys, actually kay akong cellphone karaan na. So kung naman nakita ng green, yes kani. Wait, yeah, that is my father. Grabe ang agianan dire. Makita ninyo. Wala yung ang agianan sa irrigation. Wala yung amuang agian para magkatabok ni dito sa agianan. Para magkatabok ni sa agianan. Yeah. Anyway, ako rin siyang i-upload sa YouTube for fun. For fun only. For fun. So, that's why ako siyang i-upload. Ay, very nice, diba? Nakita niyo. Okay. Wait. Diba? Nakita niyo. See? The view is just so beautiful. So, if you're watching this and you're planning to go on a vacation, something that will probably calm you or relax you, so go now to the countryside and experience the beauty. Yeah, that's my father guys. That's him. You see him. That's my father. And right now, so as you can see guys, the view is just so nice. And actually, nagkuyog sa papa, it is because he has a mini garden. And then yeah, we are going to water the plants or the vegetables that he planted. And so yeah, wanang kuyog-kuyog ko okay. Hindot man ang panahon, the weather's nice, it's so windy, but yeah, very good and also. So that's it, see you later. So see, dito kami dumadaan, and wait. Naapa? And so now guys, as you can see, yeah, you see that. Yan yung sinasabi ko na very relaxing yung view dito sa countryside. And now, this is the hardest part. It is because you have to pass this bridge to go to the other side. And as you can see, there are a lot of amoebitas or ants, and we have to cross safely. So yeah, and we successfully passed the bridge. So it's now time to go and water the plants. So yeah, Father did not di siya dumaan doon because dito siya dumaan dyan sa river. Dyan siya dumaan. We have bananas there. Yes, bananas. Okay, my father and my mother planted that banana. So today we are going to pick a guava because we have guava tree in here, and I will show you the fruits or yung bunga nila. Ipakita ko sa inyo. Now, see, do you see that? Hindi ba kayo matatakam yan? Actually, it's not that big. It's not that big, but it's good. So we are going to pick a guava. But the problem is, since I have dentures, yeah, my front teeth are dentures, so that's why. Okay, that's why I need to get yung hindi matigas na guava. Hindi yung hilaw. So right now, how am I going to show you kung paano ko ipipick yung guava? Wait, I have an idea. Okay, I have an idea. Okay, mission accomplished. Nakakuha ako ng biyabas na hindi hilaw, pero hindi naman ganoon kahinog. And so, yeah, I got this. It's not that small. Hindi naman malaki. Masyadong malaki. It's not parang sa size. And so, we are going to eat this. So, wow, it's so windy, guys. It's so windy. Pasensyahan nyo na ang ating pronunciation, okay? So, did you see how windy it is? Okay, I'll show you the leaves of the banana. Para sila mag-dance. The wind. That's the wind. Okay, so we are going now to taste this guava. So, let's see. Okay, my dentures. Okay, bad. Ganito talaga ako kumakain ng biyabas, guys. Unang kagat. Hindi ko alam, but automatically parang kumakain ako ng mangga. Like, first kagat, but then pag marami na kagat or nakalipas na yung marami kagat, it's good na. Like, again, let's do E. Just so good. Actually, pangalawang biyabas ko na to kasi nung pagdating namin kanina, kumuha ako ng isa kasi sabi ng papa ko, hinog yun. So, kinain ko, hinog naman. At ito, nakakita ulit ako and it's good. So, you see that? It's actually good. Okay, baka sabihin ng iba, hindi hinugasan bago man lang kinain. Okay, it is because clean naman dito. Wala namang, si papa lang naman yun dito, and then okay lang yan. Hindi naman ako nagkakasakit. So, yeah. Hello again, guys. So, very haggard ang person. Whew. So, very haggard ako. I am very sweaty. It is because, see? Did you see that sweat? It is because I am watering now the vegetables. Matawag ba nga vegetables? Na tinanim nilang papa. And as you can see, wow. Did you see that? It's just so beautiful, right? See. Wow. That's what I'm talking about. Did you see that? Wait. It's so silaw. But anyways, yeah. Actually, tapos ako mag-water doon. Like yung mga alagbati or what we call the spinach. And then the beans or string beans. Basta yung balatong tsaka yung okra. Tapos ko nang i-water. So ngayon, meron kasi ditong wait. Meron ditong balatong. So kita niyo ba? Hindi, basta yan. We're going to water that. And parang hindi yata kasya yung water ko. But anyways, yeah, that's what I'm doing. I am watering the, kasi dito ay, since it is March, alam naman natin na March, summer dito sa atin, right? And so, my gosh, is this good? Wait. Okay, we're done. And they're sweating, huh? Okay, I think it's all good. I think that's it.